Welcome back to AutoBS, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of aviation and advanced military tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing aircraft of 2026, the GX-11 fighter jet. Built with next-generation capabilities and stealth innovation, the GX-11 is setting new benchmarks in air superiority. Let's break down what makes this fighter jet a true game-changer. The GX-11 is not just another stealth aircraft. It's a symbol of precision engineering and air dominance. Developed as part of China's ongoing effort to modernize its aerial combat fleet, the GX-11 is designed for multi-role missions including air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare operations. This versatility is one of its strongest selling points, making it ideal for unpredictable, modern battlefields. Let's talk about the design. The GX-11 sports a sleek, angular profile with a low observable shape, minimizing its radar cross-section. Its airframe incorporates advanced composite materials that not only reduce weight but also enhance radar stealth and durability. The internal weapons bay ensures that the aircraft remains aerodynamic and stealthy, even while carrying heavy firepower. Under the hood, the GX-11 is powered by twin adaptive cycle engines, offering thrust vectoring capabilities. This gives it exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to perform extreme turns, climb rapidly, and evade enemy radar and missiles with ease. The engine also features supercruise ability, which means it can fly at supersonic speeds without needing afterburners, preserving fuel and reducing its infrared signature. Performance-wise, this jet is impressive. It boasts a top speed estimated to exceed Mach 2 and a combat radius of over 1,500 kilometers. But what truly sets it apart is its AI-assisted avionics. The GX-11 comes equipped with an intelligent battle management system, giving pilots real-time data from satellites, drones, and other assets. This allows the pilot to make fast, informed decisions in complex combat scenarios. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring a panoramic touchscreen display, helmet-mounted sight, and voice command integration. The pilot becomes one with the machine, which is crucial in high-stress combat environments. The GX-11 also supports unmanned operations, meaning it can fly autonomously or lead a swarm of drones into battle, a major leap in modern aerial warfare doctrine. When it comes to armament, the GX-11 doesn't disappoint. It can carry a wide range of weapons, including long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-radiation missiles. With its internal bays and smart targeting systems, it can neutralize targets before ever being seen. Now, one of the biggest talking points around the GX-11 is its potential role as a carrier-capable fighter. If confirmed, this would give China a major strategic edge by expanding the jet's reach across naval operations. Its compact design and rugged landing gear suggest it's built for harsh carrier landings, adding to its operational flexibility. Overall, the GX-11 is not just a fighter jet, it's an airborne command center, a stealth assassin, and a technological marvel rolled into one. With cutting-edge design, superior maneuverability, and a suite of smart tech, it's ready to dominate the skies in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the 2026 GX-11 fighter jet. For more advanced aircraft reviews and aviation breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe to AutoBS. Let us know in the comments, do you think the GX-11 will change the air power balance?